Think back to the last time you bought a mobile phone. All that new toy excitement begins to fade as soon as you realize you have to buy new chargers because this one doesn't fit that one. Hi, I'm Paul Schreier, a product marketing engineer with Texas Instruments, and I'm here to help you with a solution long overdue. TI's TPS2540 will allow you to quickly and simply solve this problem for your next USB host device while meeting new global universal power charging requirements. New regulations in the European Union and China will require all new mobile data devices to accept power in a uniform manner. This movement has three main objectives. The first goal is obvious: a common form factor so all mobile devices can use the same chargers. Another priority is to reduce environmental impact by reducing electronics waste in landfills and requiring these new chargers to minimize their phantom power draw, which is power used while the charger is plugged in but not charging. Finally, in some devices, more power than a standard USB port may be available. In these cases, charging ports with this additional power should be able to charge the device faster. So if you design products that could charge a mobile device, which is pretty much anything with a USB port today, you'll need to follow this universal charging requirement. And that's where the TPS2540 can cut your design work and time to market dramatically. The TPS2540 takes the traditional protection and control features of a power switch, which all USB ports usually have, and combines it with the signaling intelligence required by the battery charging 1.2 draft standard. The result is an integrated, precise, easy-to-implement solution for universal charging compliance on your USB host device. But what about all the devices already in the market? Again, the TPS2540 is your choice. It works with popular, currently available devices, such as Apple's iPhones and iPods, so that enhanced charging modes are supported without special software. And best of all, the TPS2540's patent-pending auto-detection mode independently determines which protocol to use, so it's easy to move between popular proprietary charging methods or the industry-standard BC 1.2 specification. So to ensure your design supports the upcoming BC 1.2 standard, while quickly charging popular release equipment, have a look at the TPS2540 for your USB host side design. The TPS2540 and TPS2541 are both fully released and available on our website. Please go ahead and order samples or an evaluation board today. And as always, please contact your local distributor or local TI sales staff for additional support. Thanks for watching.